And that's how she wears her hair. That pretty feather right there all the way. And you could have it a little bit back more if you wanted to. And then you have your front. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So somebody asked me to do the Dynasty lady, Crystal something. She's with the white hair and the feathered hair here, and it's kind of like it goes under into a beautiful like bob. So that's what I want to do to just show you. And those bangs, it's those bangs. So I am also doing, I'm super excited about this, a bangs class. I'm doing the whole slideshow first for it, and then I'm gonna show my girls, and then we're gonna do a class for those bangs and show you all different kinds of fun bangs. And bangs are back, just so you know. They're so big and they are crushing it. People are loving bangs all different ways. And let me tell you, there's a bottleneck bang. Do you know what kind of bangs they are? Look them up and you'll see. But it's gonna be super exciting and fun to try something different. So let me just show you where this bang starts. I wanna say you put your comb right on the top and you're gonna go right at the apex. You're gonna take a pretty strong triangle. It's not gonna be a little one, it's gonna be a very strong one. Okay, so you're gonna have like that much over one eye. See that? And then you're gonna be at the apex and then come down right to where like the temple is. And she doesn't really have it angled necessarily. If you look at a lot of her old pictures, it's not really angled. It's just basically a nice thick bang. So how I like to do that is you're gonna take all this right here, comb it all forward, and you can actually see, if you squeeze this together and you cut that, it would be shorter right here and then it would fan out and feather. And I'm just gonna do it just to show you that I close this together just to show you, because I'm still gonna cut it shorter anyway. And I just need, see how that part right there is a little longer? So you just get that, but just so you know. And then you could just point cut ever so slightly if you wanted to, but it will round out. See how nice they are? Isn't that cool? And I want you to watch this. When you push these back, they are gonna feather back. It's that simple. Bangs are really easy, but a lot of people have a hard time doing bangs. And literally, it's her little fan pieces that just fan out. That's it. And then she does the whole bottom, you know, and she does it probably, okay, so I would say probably right to about there. So you could do it a couple different ways, but if you want to do it under, I'd like to show you a little fun way to do something under, to like let it go naturally under. You're just gonna section it out. Now I'm gonna go straight down, come down this side. Now I'm gonna take a V shape in the back. Get that out of the way. I just have to loosen this a little bit. Okay, and then a V over here. All right, so I love to take the middle of this back and I'm gonna pull it out. I have it taut underneath, but I'm taking this hair and I have a really firm grip underneath of the bottom. So I'm combing that hair really nice. I'm gonna take this hair and pull it out. And I'm gonna literally, I'm not taking my scissors straight, I'm gonna turn it. So it will make little micro pieces going under. Now watch this. It will just fall under on its own. And that's my dog right there. Duker. Okay, so look, take your scissors. It's making little micro layers. That baby is gonna buckle straight under. It's just a little trick. I love little tricks. So you're always pulling it out a little bit. I'll let you look at it from the side, okay? And now I'm gonna take this. I'm not going here straight on, I'm moving it just to get it so it angles that little bit more. Yep, like that. And then, listen, if you really need to make this go under, you could literally take a little inch, an inch here, and you could cut off this tip right here. You can cut that tip off. I'm just gonna do it just to show you. And then it's gonna even go under more. And then I'm gonna take the next piece. Think of like the beach ball, but we're doing this bottom part first. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna take this second one too. Listen, straight out, 90-degree wall. And you're gonna cut that tip off. Okay, it's going under even more. Now I'm gonna turn her right where it lives, right there. See that tip? It just bevels under even more. It pushes the hair the way you want it to go. Now I'm gonna take the next piece. So I did the mohawk right there, so I'm gonna do the next piece. and literally a wall, take that off right there. And now I'm gonna do this one right here, straight out, right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Make it simple. So 2026, what are your goals this year? It's important to keep growing and going and keep learning. Don't ever stop learning. Now watch, I'm gonna take my scissors, I'm not going straight, I'm gonna turn it, just so it follows what I've been doing. And I'll go under more. Pull it out that little bit, turn it, and go to the next section. Pull it out that little bit, turn it. And I want this to like be that little, and I could take that piece off of that piece too, and I'm gonna, just to show you how awesome that little thing is. And these little pieces under here, you could always just cut and make a straight line after. I like to do it after though. Pull it a little bit out, curve that hair, and you're moving your arm back, not straight, back. Okay, now we're gonna do that again. Bring it straight out to a wall, that corner right there. Get it off and it will just go right under. It's amazing how that works because you just take that top hair off and then it just lays so nice. Yeah, see how pretty it's going under? Now I'm gonna do the next piece right here. Pull it straight out, right there. I'm gonna do one more. Right there. There we go. She is looking good. She is all going under. Now I'm gonna hold her straight. Now I'm gonna connect this, going straight this way. Now I want to still make it go under. So I'm gonna pull this a little bit out. Every time you over direct something, it's gonna give you a tiny baby layer on there and it just stays nicer. And now I'm gonna take this whole section right here. I'm gonna always look for my guide. It's right there. And the girl on Dynasty has this little extra piece to flip up, but look at how nice it's already flipping under. You see? And now that back, but I'm gonna do this part first. Remember, I'm pulling it just a little bit out. So my fingers, look at how my fingers are here. When I'm pulling this out, they're like my anchor. See how I hold my pinky right there on that neck? And then I'm turning that, and then it's gonna go under. So I wanna look and make sure it's the same. You're always looking at the nose and making sure it's together right there. Looks good. All right, now I'm gonna let that down, get that head straight. Oh, I need a little bit more on this side. You're always looking at the other side to make sure it's all like pretty even and good. I like to say balanced, right? You just wanna make sure it's balanced. You're always gonna check it anyway. And always when you're blow drying, you absolutely check when you're blow drying. All right, so now I'm gonna take this bottom part, I'm pulling this out. There's my guide. Now and I'll be walking around her as I'm doing it. There's my guide. And I will pull that out like I've been doing and just pulling that little point out and it pushes it under even nicer. So pretty. Yep, that's good already. Now we're gonna go to this side. Beauteous. So your goals, 2026, did you set any goals? So important to keep going and growing. You don't ever wanna get stuck, and it's so easy to get stuck. You check it. So I did a tiny bit longer. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Now, oh no, I want to do that little thing, my little trick. Here we go, okay? I'm pulling this straight out right there. Get that little part off. 1, 2, you're gonna go around the head the way it lives. 2, oh yeah, it's coming out great. Now I'm gonna do this side. Even though the sides are going under a little bit, I wanted a little bit more. I want this little part pushes it. That's what it does. Okay, and just this part right here. See how nice? Look at that beautiful line. Gorgeous. It's so perfect, it's so beautiful. Alrighty, so here we go. We're gonna take this piece right here. I want you to look. See, I did it already. I did it already, just so you can see. And look how beautiful it's drying. Just do that a little bit. Remember, you're just going to where it lives. Perfect. And even this side right here. Perfect. Just straight. And then look at how beautiful it dries going under. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Put that straight line and go around the head. You're going around the head. Now your next section, think of the beach ball sections. You're just going around. Okay, now we got the top. Okay, so you're just gonna take this, nice and soft. Now this is the last one. That's gonna go all the way under. And then I'm gonna go to the very bottom and I will just cut a beautiful line underneath. You look at it, just watch it, just look. It just softens this to come down, come over it. So pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And now let me do the other side. Ta-da! Now I'll see, do I want to do one more piece? There'll be a little piece right here. And I'm just going to soften this, just so it just falls under even better. And I'm not going to do the sides because I did the sides before and I want that top layer to be over it. And just check your bottom. Just go around, make a perfectly straight line. That's why it's good to sit in a chair. And of course, you know how her hair is nice and full. See how full it's gonna be? And then this comes back. See, this is how it dries naturally. Look how pretty that is. There we go. I just want to finish this side. You don't even need to dry it. Falls right into place. And then you flip her upside down. And when you blow dry this, it'll really be so pretty. Nice and thick right there. And it's Linda Evans is her name, right? That you have that pretty feather right there all the way. And you could have it a little bit back more if you wanted to. And then you have your front. And that's how she wears her hair. All right, guys, this is Coach Kimmy. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks. Have a great day.